going to make keys to a, I think it's a 2002, we'll find out later. It's a 2002 Harley-Davidson motorcycle. This one's gorgeous. Now, they're simple yet can be difficult. They use a tubular or an ace key for the ignition and the steering lock. So it's the same key. We will use an ace pick. We're going to pick whichever one's easier. Then we're going to lock it down, read it, and we're going to cut a key. We use a Miracle A9. Sometimes they pick real easy, sometimes they pick real hard. So we're going to pick it, read it, and then we'll cut a key.
Use the ace pick. We picked over and then cut a key.
So there's the ace pick. We just set it, and a little bit dark in here, and we placed in the lock. Oh geez, this thing picks so quick. Oh my goodness, it just picked right away. I got a great reading on this. I'll just lock her down. There we go. We got the ace key. Randy's going to cut it on the Miracle. So there's the ace key with the notch up.
Yes.
So we picked over really quick, made one key. We're in an underground parkade, so it's hard to get the truck. The truck's out on the alley. So cut the key, and it worked first time. This doesn't happen every time, but it's nice. So we were able to read it, cut it, and the first key worked. So we're going to go cut a second key for the customer.
I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.